So this is the look we're about to achieve, okay? The hair, the makeup, the lips, the eyeshadow, the dress. I will want to make sure that all this beauty is fully complete. So if you want to watch how I'm installing this hair, please keep on watching. So I first of all use my spray to melt the natural hair to make sure it slips down, and after melting it I make sure I brushed it gradually because I'm being careful so that our hair will not pull, because at times the spray might even destroy your natural hair, but it did not. I've already prepped the hair, which is the wig. I've already prepped it perfectly well for over 3 months. I prep it. It has been with her, but right now we're about to install it. It's complete 7 by 5, 5 by 7. Okay, so we had to use glue because she really wanted her to stay throughout the day, and it was really raining, and we don't know if maybe when she's stepping out from her car rain might touch the hair, so we are protecting that. And this is our own glue because mine was already finished, so I had to use ours. Okay, so I started applying the glue on her forehead. She warned me that she had forehead and I had to cut that forehead short. Okay, so I forward the glue down to the brow. You can see how I brought it to the front, make sure the glue comes forward, and I positioned the hair, and I'm gonna push the wig, the 5 by 7, down. I push the net, but the net is melting net, so we don't really need to go too much or do too much before the net can melt down. So I place it perfectly on the glue line. I make sure it did not pass the glue line, and I press it down. And if you watch, I first of all allow my glue to dry off and turn clay before I'm able to place it down. So after placing it down, I'm going to use my hand to tighten the hair with a score. Then I'm going to use those small hairline. I'm going to place it gradually. The thing is that we really have to be so fast because she had an appointment with a photographer, and we don't need to. If she eventually goes late, she had to pay for extra time. So I've already prepped her face, made her up. I did not take video for that because we did not have time. So the makeup was already perfect, done. The lift was given, the eyeshadow was given, eyebrow on point, concealer, contour, blush, uplift lips, and all spray. Everything was so perfect. Then I was now losing the hair from the rollers and styling it. Everything was just on point, so perfect. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Let's take the subscription to at least for now 5k. 5k is not too much, and from 5k we'll be going for 10k. From 10k we'll be going for 1 million. From 1 million we'll be going for 10 million. From 10 million we're going far. Okay, don't forget to share, don't forget to book, don't forget to subscribe, to follow me on Facebook, on my YouTube, what do you think? On my Instagram and my TikTok. Thank you so much, guys.
Shout out to Love Touch for this beautiful look. Love Touch Artistry, right?
Love Touch Beauty Artistry.
Period. She's the best, guys. She did all this.
All the shit, man.
And you know I look good.
Period. Thank you. You're a darling. Safe trip, baby. Peace.